This 1982 Collector's Edition has 33 miles on it. It was driven home from the dealership and put in this garage. It's been on the road one time. A flippin' time capsule.
It's got a temporary tag on it.
Well,
I can't even believe that. Can you even imagine buying a Corvette brand new, driving it home, and then just parking it? That's it? Oh, whoa.
that's not good.
Super gross. We're gonna have to take that all apart and clean it. Somebody made a nice little condo over there. Probably have to get them some new air filters, I'm thinking.